Everybody plan to run. Business. Research a day for ICT. Oh yes. They go make your yield plenty. Not less. Prosperity, no
Sorry.
Labor.
No. Oh, I replace it for you. Sorry, yes. You are not there. Make ya.
Cause buffer day, plenty day. It's buffer day, even in rainy day. It's buffer day, plenty day.
Hey, this woman should be something else. Pure class.
Just amazing.
Here you are.
I want to say thank you very much.
And please watch your step.
I will be more careful this time. Thank you.
Yeah, what's up your tweet yes now? Saraha, Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube.
Take your machete, make some profit.
Bantura. On fait dire.
Who is that?
Her daughter, Ashetu.
The one in tech?
Yeah.
Studying pharmacy.
Hey,
she's pretty. Let's go. Mama is coming. Go.
Hey! I miss you more. I hope everything's okay at school. You didn't tell me you were coming.
how else would I have gotten you so excited? I know you like surprises. Plus, I miss your cooking and your company too.
The cooking first, huh?
First things first.
Are you hungry?
Of course I am. I've been fasting since. I will use some of that wash to break my fast.
I knew it.
In fact, it's 30 minutes past my fasting time. Please bring me some food.
Hey, I beg. My princess.
I'm waiting.
Everybody plan to run. Business. Research a day for ICT.
Taxes help build a country. Taxes bring equity in sharing of resources.
Working on the land. Labor, not laziness.
Pay your tax to show you are a responsible citizen.
Lender ants wait. But it no two ways. And if hunger they come at all, who cares?
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I must say I'm very enthused. Manuel Ajipade, you have shown so much interest in this subject. In fact, thumbs up. Welcome. Thank you. But Jonas, we wanted to ask something.
We know the value of taxes. It forms a large chunk of government revenues. Without it, there will be no hospitals. We are ready
to support you.
Thank you.
In fact, we pay our taxes. We just want to be sure that it always goes to the right place. You know, a lot of people come here to collect some tolls and all manner of fees. But sometimes if you look at some of the people and the manner of receipts they give to you, it makes you wonder.
Okay. That is the more reason why I'm here. Not to just come and educate you on your tax obligations, but also to alert you that you need to know that we mandate officials for this job. And every official coming from our office should have this letter. A sample of our letterhead, letter of introduction, which you see anybody mandated from our offices should have. You see our logo?
Yes.
Our name, and then you see the signature, letter of introduction. You can just have a look to be very sure. In addition to that, everybody comes with an ID card, a JRA ID card. Yeah. Kenyan doubt pade saninya ko expiry date of a card. Ekole padi chuni ke work part 20 years ago. He hide the card they get by his car. Well, it's all important. So that is the main reason why you need to look at this, the ID card, and be very comfortable. Like what you like about tax.
Mom, you haven't lost your touch. This is so delicious.
Liar. I'm sure you have found a favorite watching spot in Kumasi.
Impossible, Ma. I have told you that your watcher is unmatched. No wonder Braseidu wants to franchise.
What franchise? What ideas has your brother been putting in your head? Look, don't encourage him. I don't want him to come and waste his life here.
Ma, why don't you give yourself enough credit? What you're saying is that your life has been a waste. Braseidu has finished his master's in Cornell, one of the best universities in the US, and now I'm finishing pharmacy.
What lawyers have I brought up?
Exactly. You have sold Wache to grow intellectuals. And look at the people who are learning and are flourishing under you. All he wants to do is just to multiply the effect. That's all.
Enough of this talk. We'll pick that up later. You, why do you like the leaf so much?
Mama, how else do we eat Wache? The leaves gives it a distinct flavor and it is environmentally friendly. Biodegradable.
Bio what?
Degradable. It means that it will break down into its minute component parts. It won't litter for long. Plus, the nutrients and the compounds will be recycled back into the soil. Should I continue?
Boy, Charlie, hopefully the pressure for the office there,
Charlie, me not see.
Like, no man for looking for some other job, safe. And the stress man too much. Boy, Charlie, you spot him.
This one be pure breed.
Charlie, stop.
What?
Poka, for buy watch.
No ready with chop.
Poka, I won't buy watch.
Masa.
Oh, Charlie, but you get some kakra for yourself.
Hey, but you, Charlie, you make up. You're fine.
Solutions,
Every information about taxes, Niji, your TIN, which is your tax identification number, your VAT, which is the value added tax, your income tax, withholding tax, just name it. Every information you need is here. And I brought enough copies, you will just share to your people around. Those of you who are internet friendly to www.gra.gov.gh. Down right there. So those of you who are internet friendly, I call to our website there. All the information you need just to make sure that you are okay. Now, the one thing you should know is that we are not just here for coming for taxes and collecting your money. We want a relationship. Okay? We want to be close to you, help you, educate you, so that you can develop and grow your businesses. Because as you develop, we also develop.
Yes. Upo, I was so ubetia. If you say, and one are buying Susika Onya, or the railways, or the Cisco are dying, or the hospitals, and in Mama. So, until you wouldn't know how I say Untia, I was a Utia. Minia, Bohobio, Upo,
I like your spirit. And just to add to that, and just to help you to grow, Yashisha and never be just a bit me bookkeeping, accountancy. As I say, as a businesswoman or a businessman who send a bay, I want to a sambe 10 bucks. I wouldn't say what do profit at 2 and no who cost price and what selling price where you to who couldn't walk around and say, would you have tomorrow mobiles on top about to be sure what taking a tongue to me, whether we are going forward or you are coming down, to me, and in your marketing, but But never hear from Moon, sir. You just need to gather your people. Now, must set a date to be a bit member, Mr. Mesa. I'm more from America. Remember, your church, I want to moon pedit, Namungada Momakano. Now, I ain't to me brand name a church, and maybe a babuam, and
boy, and yet didn't cry. Yet two who are not man of it. And yet, your boy, whenever for their wire.
Madam, you have nice things here.
Really?
Yeah. Mama, sweet, truly sweet.
Where are you coming from? Hey, more raps, pal.
Oh, I used to rap with a rap. Madam, the cute girl in the grey top. I like her.
Straight to the point, eh? You don't miss words at all.
At all.
I see.
Straight guy. Who is she?
Oh, you have to ask her. Me, I only serve Wachi.
Hey, Mama, sweet.
Mama. Hi. Hi.
Hello. Enjoy your Wachi.
Thank you. We will.
And do come back soon.
We'll definitely come back.
Most definitely.
We're surely coming back.
Bye.
I see you are working your charm.
Mama, small pay. I saw them spying.
Trust me, they'll be back tomorrow.
It's good for business, eh?
See the way your eye gets. Well, but on a serious note, I want that girl.
Yeah, she's hot. She's hot, alright, man. She's hot. Good for a quick one.
That's not what I mean. More than that. There's something else. There's a certain confidence and poise.
True. She's good for a quick one. Good for a tap and go. Don't waste time. Don't waste time.
No, not that. I mean, she's a keeper.
Keeper? Watch it, seller. Are you okay?
Bro, I really want this girl, man. I really want this girl.
Fine.
But
everybody plan to run business. Research it there for ICT. Oh yes, it go make your yield plenty. Not less. Prosperity, no poverty. Plenty property, yes. Working on the land. Labor, not laziness. Lender ants wait. Out it no two ways. And if hunger they come at all, who cares? Cause buffer day, plenty day. It's buffer day, even in rainy day. Cause buffer day, plenty day. It's buffer day, even in rainy days. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, it no be wahala.
Yeah, what's up your Twitter, Snap, Saraha, Facebook, Instagram, Google.
Don't goggle.
YouTube.
Hello. Make you take your basket, take your machete, make you take your kotokusaki, go make some graffiti. Enyamelo solutions, you could now send the solutions, man. What do you? Poma Pebo, Poma Carente, Poma Palanchante Bunyole, Poma Palanchante Bunyole, Poma Palanchante Bunyole. Now we'll let Walla Manchono. Buffer day, plenty day, I go. It's buffer day, even in rainy day. Solutions, Brahman God.
Cheers, man. Cheers to more life. More wins. Yo. Businesses, Charlie. Business. Business. I'll be working. Charlie, they manage.
Charlie, bro, this one the nice thing, so. Interesting talent.
Interesting guy. You go fee pay.
This girl will be champagne and things that they saw.
Alright, make no trouble yourself.
See, if like say you forget about me, champagne self no dey see am.
I know. Oh my guy, stick to your local one so. Don't cause havoc to your bank account. I beg you. You go on red like this. Because they will drain you.
I tell you, bro. My guy, this one there, your specs, for look sharp.
Who, this guy?
For look sharp, yeah.
Oh, he's taking home.
Just tell me more.
This guy. This afternoon, we go buy something for the joint there. We decided this watch a girl. Damn no, this guy go off. Like this guy fall. He said we go buy watch. My last 5 CDs. This guy claimed to go buy watch.
My guy fall in love.
This guy they talk about the girl. Like wow.
You be normal. Charlie. Like I for take the girl in number.
Who you are? Now you know say for take a girl number.
Yeah, I slap.
Hard guy. See, you this.
Charlie, boy. This one there, you won't what be on. I see it is spy, not spy. I see no go pop. If they pop the thing, on looking.
My taste the inside.
Yeah,
I don't get money.
It's cute. You chose well.
Thank you. He's so kind and considerate.
Then comes the hard part. Keeping it together.
I'm ready for the ride. I mean, I feel so strong when I'm with him and capable of anything.
Hey, look at you. Did you say he's in medical school?
Yes, he is.
See, he's definitely working on you. So tell me, what injections and tablets has he been giving you to take?
Enough of my love life. Now let's examine yours.
Me? Oh, what's there to examine? Nothing.
Ma, I know it's been a while since Dad, may his lovely soul rest in peace. But I know he was unique and irreplaceable. But I worry. Since we've all left home.
No, don't worry about me. Look, I get so tired from work. By the time I get here, I just go straight to bed.
Ma, that's not good. You need to live a balanced life. Remember, you taught us. And I know there are many suitors.
Oh, many, but...
Is it that they just don't cut it, or you're not interested?
Both. And so recently...
But Ma, is that all? And you seem so excited.
Oh, you wait till I tell you the rest of it.
Okay, tell me about it, Ma. Come on, tell me.
Not until you fix me another hot cup.
Okay, coming right up.
Everybody plan to run business. Research it there for ICT.